What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today we come to the track. Got a message this morning from one of my buddies, Knowles, and said he needed a timing light because he was bringing a buddy's truck down to do some hits. So I went and picked up a test light, loaded the car, and headed on the shady side. So all right, I guess I'm gonna get the car unloaded. It's a little bit cold here today. Looks a little dreary too. It isn't real sunny out, so we'll see how this goes. But I'm gonna get the car unloaded, wait on my buddy to get here, and go have some fun. All right, so going to the staging lanes. Got Chase gonna whack the S10 one time and see what it can do. So hop in line and see what we can do. In the back. All right, so I just got done talking to Chase in the S10. He's really nervous, and I can tell it because I've been in the same position before. Pretty much I told him you're gonna get up there and do your burnout. He's never raced here before. So I told him when he gets up there and does his burnout, he's gonna have that knot in his stomach. When you hit that, when you smack that gas and you take off, all that goes away, and it's just, nothing matters around you. You're just having fun for that 8 or 9 seconds you're going down the track. So he's out here having fun, I'm out here having fun, and that's what this is all about. So we're gonna roll up to the staging line. Well, that was a red light. Just trying to beat the clock, I guess. So fun. Appreciate it. Well, red lighted. Let me see. 2, 3, 60 foot. 9, 7, 8 mile. Pretty slow. Knew it would be. Still fun as hell, though. Well, we were in the staging lane, but they cut us short because the bikes had to go run. They had little go-karts here, little junior dragster. So just gonna sit here and watch a little bit of racing and catch a few clips. Pretty sure Chase might have broke his truck. Still got Vortec heads too, don't it?
Oh yeah, they cracked.
Man, they're known to crack. Damn.
Yeah, it took the head out of it. It was puffing yesterday a little bit. Oh, we got oil all down through this thing. It swung oil out from some breathers. Where's the dipstick? It's right here. Still here. Yeah, we saw you down the line. Sammy tried to went back, but the rest straps keep broken. Yeah.
But did you have fun?
No.
Yeah, you did.
Straight up not having a good time right now. Most simplest vehicle we had decided to shit the bed on us.
Oh, man.
I'll straight make an idiot out of myself. What's up, boys and girls?
So Kevin's gonna take the Mustang down the track. He's gonna try to break it for me because I can't do it.
Remember, I'm NDMF, so.
So we're gonna see what he can do with it.
Oh yeah,
you never want to see that.
No. You think we're having a bad day? We're at $500.
Got the yee-yees out here tonight. Let's hear that thing clap. Oh, that G80, that G80 didn't like that. All right, so far as the Mustang goes, in the end of May, there's an event that one of my buddies is throwing. There's an 8-second index class, and I thought about actually putting the Mustang in that class hitting it with like 125 shot and just see what happens, have fun. But really what I want to do is I want to get this motor out of here immediately. Like I'm ready to go ahead and LS swap it and get it over with. So be looking forward to that because that's coming very soon. You know, that motor just runs and drives so good. The transmission is absolutely perfect. Might just go ahead and try to sell it and just make a few dollars, be able to do the swap. So I guess as of right now, we're gonna go ahead and get the car lightened up, start cutting it up, chop it up, try to lighten it up a little bit. All right, well, I'm gonna wrap this video up for today. Come out here, had fun. Kevin just left, but I'm gonna get this thing strapped down, but we'll see you in the next one.